Hi guys, today we are going to install Apache on Windows 11. First of all, search for the Apache download, open the main Apache HTTP server and then go for the Apache for Windows installation. We are going to install Apache Launch. Click the first zip file for Windows 64. Then open the downloaded zip and extract it. Then, when the unzip is completed, move the main directory Apache 24 into the your C drive and paste it. Then we are going to install Apache as a service. You can first search for the services installed in your computer, and as you can see, there is no Apache 24 service installed in my PC, as you can see. So now open CMD as an administrator. Move to the Apache 24 bin directory, so copy this path, change cd, then type http:// and use the install directive to install Apache as a service in your Windows. Let's now refresh this, and as you can see, we have now installed Apache as a service in our computer. Let's now try to start it and see if everything works fine. The service is now started. Let's check now if it works. Search for the localhost address in the search bar. Yeah, as you can see, we have the it works message, so everything works fine. The return file is located in the htdocs folder in Apache, this one, and this is the file we see in our browser. Let's try to modify it. For example, we can let's try, for example, Apache is correctly installed. Let's now refresh the page, and everything works fine, as you can see. Now, if you want to stop Apache, you can simply type the stop the service button. Let's try to refresh the page, and as you can see, we have an error. You can also start Apache from the CMD, typing with the start directory. And if we refresh the page, everything is works fine. If you have installed Apache, for example, with Tomcat, you can see for the port active, like for example with TCP view tools from Windows. And as you can see the port for Apache. In this case, we use the 80 port. Thanks for watching.